In this video today, I will review a very nice dashcam that I found on the famous web store AliExpress. This is a 4K dashcam from the AZDOME brand and the model is called M300S. With so much of bad traffic these days, this is a must-have gadget for all car owners, especially if you don't have a camera in your car. This camera is offered at a very affordable price, plus you can use my promo codes to get some additional discount. The other added bonus feature with this camera is that you also get a parking reverse backup HD camera along with this front 4K dashcam. Now let's do a quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will set this up in my car and test the different functions and features. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so this is all you get inside this box. So basically you get the user guide or the user manual, then you get some accessories to connect both the front camera as well as the rear view camera in your car. So these are some accessories to do the wiring, and then you get an extra connection. This is a tape to connect this, so if you've got two cars and you want to connect this in both the cars, you can do that, or this is just an extra one in case the other one gets damaged. And then you've got some plastic sheets. This is basically to stick it to your windshield or the back shield, and then onto this is where you actually connect the cameras, so it doesn't damage your the windshield or the back screens. All right, and then you have the cables. Now this is the power cable. This is a cigarette lighter power cable, so this connects to the cigarette lighter adapter, and the other end connects with the dash cam. Now it's a very long cable, so you know it can fit any car. And then you have the camera. This is the reverse camera or the rear view camera. The good thing with this is, again, this comes with a very long cable, and you also have some sticking pads to connect this in your car. Now I won't be actually connecting this in my car. I've got a car with the back installed original back cameras or the reverse cameras, but you know, when you order this, you actually get two cameras, the front dash cam as well as the reverse or the parking camera. And then finally you've got this AZDOME M300S dash cam. This is a very nice looking dash cam. You know, it's not very big, bulky, that kind of blocks your view in the car. It's going to be a very small device that, you know, sits on top of the windshield. So in terms of the physical appearance, as I said, it's a very small compact device. You know, at the front you've got the lens. This is the lens. You've got some names, and then this actually can twist. You can change the adjustment like this, so depending on the car and the view, you can actually change the view itself. And now in terms, so this is where you actually connect it with the windshield. In terms of the connections, you've got it on this side, so you have the AV. This is where you actually connect the parking or the reverse camera. You've got the USB slot. This is where you connect the power cable, and then you also have a free built-in micro SD card to record the footage from both the cameras. And at the back you have some other these are LED indicators, so you've got the recording GPS, there's a built-in mic as well, and then you can also reset the settings on this device. Now I can tell you it's one of the small ones I've tested on my channel. Most of the other dash cams that I've tested are generally big and bulky, but so the good thing with this is that it would not block your view. Alright, so the other important question is, how do we actually operate this device, right? So you set it up in your car, you connect it with power, you insert this SD card which is already installed, and then the next step is actually connecting this dash cam with a mobile application to, you know, play around with the settings, to record any footage you want on the mobile itself. It's already getting recorded on this SD card, but you know, if you want to view it and record it on your mobile as well, you can do that through a mobile application. All right, so let me just connect this with power. I've got my power bank here, so let's connect it, right, and leave it here. And then what we need to do is, you need to go and download this application. It's called AZDOME. It's available for both Android mobiles as well as iPhone or iOS app store. Right, so you can go into this, you can log in with your details, you can skip the login if you want, and then you just need to connect this dash cam through the Wi-Fi connectivity. You just need to have the Bluetooth on as well. And then, I've already connected that. You just need to go to the Wi-Fi, make sure it's already connected. So within Wi-Fi, you should be able to see one of the networks. That's the Dashcam network. And it should be the M300S. There you go. So you click on this. And the password is 123456778. And then you can see it's already connected. And then we can come back to the application. And then we can try to connect it. There you go. So it's connected. It's a one-time setup, one-time process. You just need to connect it, and now you can see the footage that we're getting, or the view that we're getting from the dash cam. All right, and you can actually go to the settings. This is where you can go to the settings. You actually have to stop recording first. Go into the settings, and this is where you can actually change the setting as per your preference. So you have the photo size, you have the video resolution. Now I've set it up to maximum 4K, but if you want, you can change it to 2K, 1080p, 720p, depending on your preference. You can have the loop recording setting as well. I've set it up to maximum 5 minutes. The audio recording, the G sensor, I've set it up to medium. You can change it to high and low. You can change the date, time format, the speed, volume, a lot of setting options to customize the dash cam and the recording as per your preference. So this is very, very nice, and you can see you actually get to see the footage on your mobile, and you can actually make it full screen. There you go, and you have the time and the date stamps as well. And then you can actually go into this Dashcam album and actually just start watching any of the recent footage that was recorded on the SD card. There you go. So a very nice, user-friendly, and a very detailed mobile application that allows you to use this dash cam in your car. And you've got some of the other options available as well. I've set it up to HD, but you can change it to low definition if you want. There you go. Okay, so very nice application. You can download this on both iOS for iPhones as well as Android mobiles. You just connect this through Wi-Fi with the Dashcam, and then soon as you do that, you get to see the footage on your mobile itself. There you go. So now let me take this out, set it up in my car, and then we start testing the different functions and features, and we actually get record some real live footage. Alright friends, so I'm in my car and I'm trying to set up this AZDOME dash cam in my car. Now this is the dash cam. I've connected it with a USB cable. Now in my car I was lucky to have a USB plug right on top of this rear view mirror, as you can see this. So I don't have to do the wiring to get the cable all the way down to the cigarette lighter adapter. So I will now set this up right in the middle of the screen like this. I'll remove this tape and then set it up right in the middle of the screen. But now you have several options to do that. Now one is you need to do the wiring. If you don't have this USB on the top, you can actually connect the wire all the way down to the cigarette lighter adapter. You can use a long cable and the accessories that came along. So you can use the sidebars to hide the cable and then bring it down. The other thing is you can set this up as per your convenience. You can do it right in the middle of the screen, which is ideal, or you can set it up on the corners if you want, but ideally it should be right in the middle of the screen. All right, so now I'll set this up and then show how it actually looks. All right friends, so I've set this up now. I know it's a very nice setup, but to be very honest, it was very easy to do that. It's kind of a plug and play device. You don't really need any professional help to set this up. You can do it yourself. Now I've set it up right behind the rear view mirror, as you can see, and it's a very nice setup. The best thing about this is that it's so compact that it does not block your view. And I'll show you. This is my view, and you can see I can't see the dash cam. So, I really love the size and the compact design so that, it doesn't block your view. And then, right behind the rear view mirror, it sits very, very nicely. Now, again, I was lucky to have this USB cable right next to the rear view mirror that I've connected for power. But if you don't have that, you can connect this with the cigarette lighter adapter in your car and use these sidebars to hide the wire. So as you can see, looks very, very nice. All right, so this was the setup. Now let me take it out for a drive, and then I'll basically show you what gets recorded on the camera through the micro SD card. All right, so as you can see, the quality that we're getting is really nice. This is 4K output. This is the 4K resolution output that I've selected. You can see it's very nice in terms of the clarity, in terms of the brightness. And the other very nice thing about this dash cam is the depth and the side angle view. So it's a very wide angle view from left to right. It captures a lot of area. That's really nice. And again, you know, the clarity is simply amazing. You can easily read out the plate numbers, the number plates, license plates on the cars around you. And the other nice feature with this camera is that it has this audio microphone built in, so you can record any audio if you want, but for privacy reasons, if you want to switch it off, you can also go to the settings and switch that off. But other than that, as you can see, it looks very nice. And the good thing is that it comes with a reverse backup camera as well. I haven't connected because my car has one, but if you want to connect that, you can connect it at the back and then, you know, put the wires onto the AV socket on this dash cam. So overall looks very nice. The quality is simply amazing. You know, highly recommended, especially if you want something which is affordable and which gives you the 4K quality. Clarity is very important in dash cams. That's it, friends. So this was a quick review of this very nice 4K dash cam. You know, it looks quite nice. I've tested this for a while, and I'm really impressed with this device. You know, three things I love about this dash cam. Number one is the 4K output, the clarity, the resolution that we're getting. It's very nice, very clear and very bright. It's a very wide angle view capture as well, so it you know, captures a lot of area from left to right. The other thing I like about this dash cam is the size itself. It's a very nice small compact design, but very powerful. It does not block the view, which is very important for safety reasons. It's very nicely sits or hides behind the rear view mirror, so that's another nice thing. And the third bit is, you know, it works through a mobile application, which is so easy and convenient. You know, it's very user friendly. You don't have to be a tech savvy to operate this device. You can simply go to the application and change the settings as per your preference. You can even download some of the footage onto your mobile's gallery. So all in all, a wonderful gadget to have. It's a must-have gadget in your car, especially with so much of traffic on the roads these days. If you don't have a camera system, I would highly recommend you to go and get one. And the bonus feature is that this dash cam comes with a backup reverse camera as well. I'm not going to install that in my car because my car has a built-in one, but you know, you get that as an added bonus feature when you buy this device. So all in all, a very nice 4K dash cam, highly recommended. And if you like it, if you want to buy this, simply go to the link in the description of the video. It takes you directly to the AliExpress store where you can buy this very nice and affordable AZDOME 4K dash cam. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.